Hey there, friends. I'm going to show you how to turn this COVID-19 Bitmoji poster and make it your own. I'll send you the link to the pages document that we have here. But first, I'd like to give a shout out to Brandy Dudley, who created the original COVID-19 protective measures. Thank you, Brandy, for making this, and now we will rework it to make it our own. So the first thing you want to do is open it in Pages, and then I'm going to move this over here to make a little space, and then go into my Gmail to get my Bitmojis. If your Bitmoji isn't up here on the bar, then you want to click the little puzzle piece and find your Bitmoji. Then once you have your Bitmoji up, then you're going to search for the parts that you want. So like up here in the left upper right hand corner is wash your hands. And you could customize this and see if there's something better that you like. You don't have to necessarily use what Brandy used. And then I'm going to click it and drag it down to my desktop. Once it's on my desktop, it's ready to go up here, but I need to get rid of what's up here right now. So I'm going to go back to my Pages document, and I am going to go up to Shape, grab a square, and put my square up here. And now my square, I would like that to be a white square, so I'm going to go over to the fill spot and change the black to white. And then now I can cover up a lovely picture Bitmoji of Brandy. And then now we are going to drag our Bitmoji up here. Then we're going to resize the Bitmoji and move it up here. And then once you get that where you want, then you do the same thing with another one. So let's go to find mask. The only masks I can find right now have vote on it, or Black Lives Matter, so go ahead and pick whichever one you want. Again, drag it down to your desktop. If you run low on space on your desktop, you can always drag that in one that you used into the trash can, so that way you have that. And then I'm going to go back to my Pages document, grab a shape, and make it a square, change it to a white, and make it so it covers the middle picture. Once you've done that, then you can grab your Bitmoji, make it the size that you want, and put it right where you would like it to be. And that's all there is to it. Just keep on changing out the Bitmojis for your own, and then you'll have a nice little poster to put in your classroom. So here's my completed poster, and I did find a wear your mask Bitmoji that's much nicer than putting political views on. So if you want to use that, if you type in wear your mask, you'll find this one. And this is what my finished poster looks like. I will send you a copy also of this Pages, so you don't have to put all the white blocks on. So if I move this around, you'll see that I put the white block on for you to block it out. So you can just delete mine and put it on, or I'll send you the other copy too if you want to use Brandy's as well and go through the steps of putting the white block on. If you put it right on top of the block square, so if I open this up and you put it right on top, I'm just going to try to put it into it, and you'll get this little message. If that happens, then you want to redo it again. So click Done, go to Edit and Undo. And then just when you grab something to move it up, make sure you don't put it into a box. So somewhere where there is nothing. And then it will allow you to adjust the size and put it in the correct place. All right, thank you. Have fun with this.